We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Students, good noon. This is Nidhi Ghetia. Today we discuss about the aliphatic amines in details with the chemical properties. So we discussed in our previous lecture that is a topic. That topic is a method of preparation of the aliphatic amines. So today we discuss the chemical properties. So today's our studies content is a chemical properties of the amines. Okay. So in chemical properties of the amine, that is a chemical reaction, okay, of the chemical reaction of the amines, aliphatic amines. So here 9 reaction. First one is a salt formation, second one is a reaction with the alkyl halide, third one is a reaction with the acid chloride, fourth one is a reaction with the nitrous acid, fifth one is a reaction with the benzyl sulfonyl chloride, sixth one is the carbyl amine reaction, and 7th is a mustard oil, 8th is a oxidation, and 9th is a Grignard reaction. Okay, this is a 9 type of the reaction of chemical properties of the amines. Okay, so first one is a salt formation. Amine are base. Amines are generally weak base. Okay, so react with the mineral acid and formation of the ammonium salt. Here ethylamine, that is a primary amine react with the base mineral acid. Amines are the generally weak base in nature and react with the one mineral acid. So making the ethyl ammonium salt. So HCl are totally replaced attached here. So making a ammonium chloride salt. Okay. Then second is a reaction with the alkyl halide. So primary amine react with the alkyl halide and further reaction with the alkyl chloride for the making of the quaternary ammonium salt. So here primary amine ethylamine react with the CH3Cl, 1 HCl are removed, so making the N-methyl ethanamine. Okay, so further reaction with the CH3Cl, that is a alkyl chloride, 1 HCl molecule are removed and making the NN dimethyl ethanamine. Okay, and again further reaction is a CH3Cl, 1 HCl molecule are removed, so quaternary ammonium salt are formation. Okay, here quaternary amine. Okay, so what is quaternary amine? Nitrogen attached with the 4 any alkyl or aryl atoms attached with the 4 alkyl or aryl atom and bearing the 1 positive charge or formation of the 1 positive charge, that's called quaternary amines. Okay, so this is a quaternary ammonium salt. Okay, then third reaction is a reaction with the acid chloride. First we take the primary amine, then any acid chloride. So here acetyl chloride. Okay, then 1 HCl molecule are removed and N-ethyl acetamide are generated. Okay, then fourth reaction is a primary amine react with the nitrous acid to form the diazonium salt and salt hydrolyzed to form the alcohol. Okay, here 2 reactions are followed. First, propyl amine making the diazonium salt in the presence of NaNO2. Okay, sodium nitroxide. Then 1 HCl also produce. 1 HCl also here and 0 degree temperature. Okay, then here this is a sodium diazonium salt. Here this group are removed, totally removed. So N2 and Cl are removed, so making the 1 alkane. Alkane are react with the H2O and making the 1 alcohol. Propane to all, propanols, this is a alcohol. Okay, then fifth reaction is a reaction with the benzyl sulfonyl chloride, primary amine react with the benzene sulfonyl chloride to forms the N-alkyl benzene sulfonamide. Okay, so here propyl amine react with the benzene sulfonyl chloride. So here one HCl are liberated, one HCl are liberated. Here one H, NH2, here one H and Cl all liberate. Okay, remove. Here one H are liberate and here's one Cl are liberate and making a one HCl molecule. So this is a removed. Okay, then NH group are these all group. Here one H are liberate, then NH are present here. So NH group are totally attached here. So making the N-isopropyl benzene sulfonamide, because ammonium group are attached in a iso position. Okay, so N isopropyl isopropyl group are present in a iso position, so that's called isopropyl. This is isopropyl benzene sulfonamide. This is a sulfonamide group. Okay, then sixth reaction is a primary amine react with the chloroform and solution of the KOH in ethanol to form the isocyanate. Okay, so here methyl cyanide plus chloroform and 3KOH molecule. So here methyl isocyanate generated. 3 bond of here making a 3 bond and one C are attached here. Okay, so methyl isocyanate generated, and then 3KCl are removed and 3H2O molecule also removed. Okay, then seventh reaction is a mustard oil reaction. In this reaction, primary amine on warming with a CS2 in presence of HgCl2 forms the isothiocyanate possessing a smell of the mustard oil. So that's called mustard oil reaction. Okay, because of the smell of the mustard oil in the last product generated from making the mustard oil smelling. So that's why this reaction called as a mustard oil reaction. Okay, so primary amine react with the CS2 molecule in presence of the HgCl2 making the alkyl isothiocyanate. So here R and N are react. Here S are removed and H2 also removed. So H2S are removed and making a alkyl isothiocyanate. Okay, then eighth reaction is oxidation reaction. All types of aliphatic amines are oxidized and product obtained depends upon the nature of the oxidant and structure of the amines. So here first we take the primary amine in the presence of KMnO4. KMnO4 is a oxidizing agent. Okay, so making the one intermediate and further reaction with H2O and making a aldehyde. So this is aldehyde molecule and one NH3 molecule also removed. Okay, then secondary amine react with the KMnO4 oxidizing agent, either Caros acid and H2O2 also are oxidizing agent. So making a tetra alkyl hydrazine, because hydrazine for the 2N are present and tetra alkyl. So 4 alkyl groups are present here. So tetra alkyl hydrazine group making of the tetra alkyl hydrazine and one H2O molecule are removed. Then tertiary amine react with can't react with the KMnO4. That is react with the Caros acid, either H2O2. Okay, and form the amine oxide. Okay, and then ninth reaction is a Grignard reaction. Grignard reagent are react with the primary or secondary amine and then making a one alkane. Okay, and then tertiary amines are not react with the Grignard reagent because of the absence of replaceable hydrogen atom. So here first we take the primary amine and Grignard reaction. Both are reacted, making the one Grignard reaction salt formation, and one alkanal liberated. Okay, one making the one alkane. So same as a primary amine reaction. So first we take the secondary amine Grignard reagent, and two alkanes are liberated, and one Grignard reagent, two alkanes are removed, and one Grignard reagent salt. Okay, Grignard reagent salt. Okay.